Hey, everybody, just wanted to touch base with you on something that can really help you save some time and effort and just make streamline your ordering of either equipment, supplies, tools, whatever it is that you're running out of a lot. But I made this sheet so you can just download it into Excel, put your logo on there. And basically it's to help you keep track of all the things that you've got: trash bags, filters, wipes, blocks, plastics, all those types of things. Figure out where you're ordering them from. We're always recommending that you work with your Ramsco sales rep or whoever you're ordering your things from. Get the part number so that you just type those in there. So these are set, okay? And then basically have yourself a minimum on the shelves of what you want. So let's just say trash bags, you want 20 as your minimum. If you're down to 10, maybe you order 20 more so that you're 10 above your minimum or whatever that works, as you know how often you need to order and how quickly you're going to run out. Some people are having to buy pallets full of things, okay? But basically you can put in here what's your current quantity and then what's your reorder quantity, okay? You can fill this out, take a screenshot, boom, fax this over to your Ramsco sales rep or anybody else who's helping you that you're ordering through. Big thing here also with equipment. Maybe you've got some equipment that needs repair and you're always forgetting, and then you forget to tell your rep. But if you put it on here and screenshot it to them, they know, okay, we've got to get these air scrubbers or dehumidifiers, or hey, I want to buy 20 more of these air movers. Here's the part number and here's how many more I want. And then you can put that order in right there. But this is just a real quick video, nothing crazy here. But when we were running 18 trucks between carpet cleaning and water damage, you were constantly running out of this chemical, this supply here, plastic here, foam blocks here, razor blades here, whatever it was. And so I did this myself, most of the ordering until we had a shop manager. It really helped to just go out once a week, every 2 weeks, once a month, whatever you have to do for your situation, depending on your process. But just literally fill it out. Already have the part number, so you're not getting the wrong tape every time. There's no miscommunication there. And then just everybody knows, okay, we need to have at least this much on the shelf so we're not running out. As soon as you run out of a product, plastic, blocks, zip pulls, whatever that is, your teams are going to stop using them as much because they're going to get frustrated, okay? And then that's going to, one, make your jobs not look as good. You're not going to be efficient, and you're definitely not going to be as profitable. So again, this quick video is to help you give a simple way to track your main items that you use all the time, that you can easily take a snapshot, send these over to your rep that you're ordering with, or email it to them, whatever you'd like to help you. But hopefully, as you're growing, these numbers here are certainly going to change, okay? Or if you know this is our busy season of the year, you might need 60 boxes of trash bags instead of 20, and then as it hits a slower time, but you're going to adjust that as the year goes. Everything takes a little bit of time, but not running out of things is going to keep your crews efficient and using the right materials at each job to make sure that you guys are being profitable. So hopefully this has helped, and we'll see you guys on the next step.